Good morning, students. Now today we are going to learn about the green algae like Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas is a unicellular biflagellate free-floating green alga mainly found in the pond, ditches, standing fresh water, and it consists of the cell wall. Cell wall consists of two layers. The cell wall consists of two layers. Outer layer consists of cellulose. Inner layer consists of cellulose, while the outer layer consists of pectose. Okay? Outer layer and inner layer. So these are the inner layer is made up of cellulose and the outer layer is made up of pectose. Okay, and the inside the cell wall is the protoplast surrounded by plasma membrane. In the protoplast we can see there are the volutin granules, and now there is the two basal granules from where the flagella arises. This is the flagella, and now in the inside the cytoplasm there is the cup-shaped chloroplast. You can see this is the cup-shaped chloroplast having pyrenoid. Pyrenoid contain the protein storage surrounded by the starch. So this is the pyrenoid, and now in the Chlamydomonas there is the eye spot also found. This Chlamydomonas reproduces both asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction in Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas actually this is the haploid organism. This is the one set of chromosome. This is the haploid organism, and asexual reproduction occurs by the different kinds of spores. That is aplanospores, hypnospores, echinates, Pamela stage. These are the different types of spores produced in the Chlamydomonas for asexual reproduction. Now in sexual reproduction, now we will talk. The Chlamydomonas now produces the gametes. The gametes in some species of Chlamydomonas, the gametes are isogametes, means morphologically similar, and in some it produces the anisogametes. So in isogametes, the gametes are of different size, but both are motile. Different size, but both are motile. Now this gametes fuses. This is the fertilization. After fusion, it forms the zygote. The zygote will be diploid, but the zygote now surrounded by a wall, and it forms a resting stage that is called the zygospore. The zygospore is the diploid stage. And now in the after resting period, this zygospore divide by meiosis to forms the many zoospores, and these zoospores are now haploid, and from these zoospores Chlamydomonas develop. So this Chlamydomonas also shows alternation of generation. That is the Chlamydomonas. This is the main plant, and it is the haploid generation or gametophytic generation, while the zygospore is the diploid generation or sporophytic generation. So sporophytic generation alternates with the gametophytic generation, means the Chlamydomonas shows the alternation of generation. That's why the Chlamydomonas may also be kept in the plant kingdom. Now we will talk about the Spirogyra. This is also a green algae. This is the filamentous algae, and it comes multicellular filamentous. Chlamydomonas is unicellular, while the Spirogyra is the filamentous and the multicellular alga, and consists of many cells that present one above the other. The cells are present one above the other, another cell, and it is also surrounded by that is cell wall, and the inner cell wall also here also consists of cellulose, and the outer consists of the pectose. Pectose also secrete the mucilage covering. This is the mucilage covering outside also secrete. That's why the Spirogyra are also called the pond scum or water silk. Now we talk about the structure of a Spirogyra. This is the cell wall, and inside the cell wall this is the protoplast surrounded by plasma membrane, and in the Spirogyra cytoplasm is found in the peripheral region, and there is the central vacuole. This big one is the central vacuole and the cytoplasm at the periphery. Now in the center of the central vacuole there is a nucleus, and nucleus also surrounded by the cytoplasm, and this nucleus suspended in the middle of the vacuole by the cytoplasmic strands. These are the cytoplasmic strands. These are the cytoplasmic strands, and there is the ribbon shaped spirally arranged chloroplast found, and in the chloroplast also there is the pyrenoids are also found. Pyrenoids are the storage granules, storage structure that store the protein and starch. So this is the structure of Spirogyra. All the cells are more or less similar. Now we will talk about the reproduction in Spirogyra. In Spirogyra, sexual reproduction takes place by the conjugation. So during conjugation, the two filaments of different strain now comes closer, and the cell wall of these two filaments fuse together and forms the conjugation tube, and in the each cell the gametangia develop. So this is, suppose this is the male female filament, this one is the female filament. So in male filament each cell produces the male gametangia, and this is, suppose the female filament, it also produces the female gametangia. Gametangia produce the gametes, and now there is the gametangial fusion occurs. This is, suppose the male gametangia produces the male gametes that passes through this conjugation tube into the female gametangia, and both fuse together. After fusion it forms the zygote, and now zygote surrounded by the wall. Now this is called the zygospore, and zygospore then develop to forms the filament. So in this type of conjugation process occurs in the Spirogyra. It reproduces by the conjugation. So likewise, so all green algae, today we are talking about the green algae. So in green algae mostly this is the way of reproduction in which they reproduces both asexual and sexual reproduction, and they shows the alternation of generation. Thank you.